Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure both devices are ready. Charge the QuietComfort Ultra and unlock your MacBook. On your Mac, open System Settings and select Bluetooth. This ensures the radio is active. Next, power on the headphones and press and hold the power button to enter pairing mode. This sends the headset into discoverable state so your Mac can see it. Once you see the Bose appear in the Bluetooth list, keep the window open so you can complete the connection quickly. Once the Bose shows in the Bluetooth list, click its name to pair. This initiates the handshaking process. If macOS prompts for pairing code, confirm the number or accept the request. This authenticates the link. After pairing, make sure macOS routes sound to the headphones, open Control Center, choose Sound, and select QuietComfort Ultra as the output device. This step is important because pairing alone does not always switch audio output. You must finally validate the connection by playing audio and checking the mic in System Settings Sound. Make sure volume levels and input/output match your needs. If you encounter problems, first toggle Bluetooth off and on, then restart the headphones. A reset often clears pairing conflicts. If that fails, update macOS and the Bose firmware because mismatched software can block features. One quick troubleshooting tip: remove the device from Bluetooth and repair. This usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.